The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Yes, a very solid rally coming your way this Tuesday morning. As we said, money is flowing into America all over again.
Money is flowing into America. That's right. 300, almost a 400-point rally, and he says money is flowing in. Is that true? Well, we're going to check that out and see if he's telling the truth. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Yes, the market is rallying today on noise that Trump tweeted out that he was going to meet with the China's leader at the G20 meeting. And on that, anybody who was short the market started to cover their short positions, and we had this rally. It's unbelievable. They didn't say they are going to meet because they agreed on trade agreements with China. If you continue to look at the semiconductors are getting killed. The semiconductors have been getting just crushed because of these tariffs, because of what is going on with China and what they can do. And the semiconductors are so important to our economy. They're big, they're huge. And China and the United States, over these tariffs that are fighting, so what they're meeting? Doesn't mean a thing. We got to get an agreement. And unless you get an agreement, if you're long-term in semiconductors, you're losing money, and you have been losing money. And that's why you need to learn how to also not only buy stocks, but you need to learn how to short stocks. If you go all the way back to April of 2019, the semiconductors, symbol SMH, dropped from $121 all the way down to $96. Because this is bad what's going on. So it had a 20% drop. Now, what you should have done is, like my members, they were in a position to sell short. In fact, we made a 20% return on Intel by shorting it. Now, today, the stock market goes up on this tweet that, I'm going to meet the Chinese leader at the G20 meeting, and everybody gets all excited, and they're all pushing the market, and everybody's all going crazy on CNBC and all the rest of these shows and Fox. It means nothing. Now, it's great if you happen to be in the right stock that is benefiting. In fact, what you do, you don't buy stocks today. If you're in a stock and you're getting this big boost, this is where you sell into the stock. This is what professionals do. They sell into the stock. When you get a nice rally like this, where it's just, again, it's called painting the tape. The president did this on purpose to move the market up. Remember, we still have a triple top. Until we get above that triple top, this market still can correct another 20%. One day doesn't make a trend. Now, our gang, we bought some stock today. We bought Boeing, in fact. We bought Boeing today. But we didn't buy Boeing based on the rumor. We bought Boeing today because it was setting up beautiful for us. Boeing was red. The big institutions were pulling money out. Boeing dropped from around $447 down to $334. And then we turned around and we saw the institutions putting money back into Boeing. So it was a very low risk investment. So we went in and bought some Boeing today, and it rallied. Now, it doesn't mean the Boeing's going to go up 20, 30% because the overall market is still very weak. The signals are still there. In fact, he's not telling you the truth when he makes this comment about money flow.
Yes, a very solid rally coming your way this Tuesday morning. As we said, money is flowing into America all over again.
Not true. Money is flowing out. Money is flowing out, not in. In fact, $52 billion. While the market has been rallying, and it's really not a rally. If you recall, if you go back to the S&P and you look at the market, and if you remember, we had a 20% crash from October 5th all the way down to December 24th. And then we had what we call a short covering rally. The same thing every day. We heard, oh, we got to deal with China. Oh, we got to deal with China every day. And the market went back up 20%. Now, remember, when it dropped 20%, it was because of the rate hike of 2.5% hit the market and pulled the market down. The economy could not handle a 2.5% interest rate hike. So then what happened is they decided to push the market back up, creating a rumor that we're going to be signing the trade agreement any minute. Every day you heard that. So the market went up 20%. But guess what? We're not any higher than we were back in October. That's right. Think about it. We are no higher now than we were in October 2018. We've gone nowhere. So if you want to let's take where the market dropped from October down to December 24th, 2018, and let's take from January 1, 2019 to today. The market has gone up about 18%. All it did is recapture back its losses. We don't have any gains. While the market was going up, let's go from the 1st of January to today, June 18th, money has been flowing out of the economy. More money has been flowing out of the market, rather, than going in by $52 trillion. But he tells us the opposite. He tells us the opposite. And, again, we have yet to break above that 200 or 2,950. You got to break above that. There's 3 tops up there. So my point is that you just can't keep listening to these people on these TV financial shows. They'll really screw you up. Now, we didn't sit here today and say, oh, we're not going to buy any stocks. Of course not. We're doing terrific. Like I said, we bought Boeing. We're looking for great opportunities in the beaten down oil sectors. You should join my gang today just to follow us. Remember, gold. We bought gold. It was beaten down. Nobody wanted it. We were the first ones to buy it. We're up over 20%. All of a sudden, Friday, they start talking, well, maybe we should buy gold. We've been in gold for over a month. Now they're talking about buying it. We see great opportunities in the semiconductors. They've been beaten to death. We see great opportunities in the oil sectors. They've been beaten to death, down 20, 30%, these stocks. This is where you have to go. So if they are truly going to settle this trade agreement and the market's going to rally, you got to be set up in the oil services group. You got to be set up, ready to go in the refiners. That's the area you want to be in, as well as semiconductors. So today, this 350-point rally, my God, their underwear's all knotted up. They're so excited, but we're going nowhere. Where are we going? All we're going to do is go back we're buying the same real estate all over again. So we're just going all the way back up to where we were in October. Isn't that something? So it's just amazing how they tell you things that just aren't true. And that's why you become a member. Join my gang right now, 877-600-GANG. Oh, and by the way, today you can get a free color-coded chart.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
We're speaking with Jared Douglas. He's a licensed mortgage loan originator, and his company's called Cash Call Mortgage. Let me give you his number, 949-535-9385, or you can go to cashcallmortgage.com. Jared, I want to thank you. The service you gave us was incredible. Why don't you explain a little bit when you say how you specialize in alternative products for self-employed applicants?
Yes, thank you, Phil. Thanks for having me on. So what we specialize in is an alternative product for applicants who are self-employed. We have a product for applicants that are, have a lot of assets but no documentable income, and then we have another version for, real estate investors. So there's three versions of our alternative approach or alternative product that helps people with, outside-the-box scenarios get financing.
Again, let me give you his number, 949-535-9385, 949-535-9385, or you can go to cashcallmortgage.com.
Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
If you're going to make money in the market, you got to make money when the market goes back down, when these stocks start dropping. That's the key to investing. You're never going to make money if all you're depending on is stocks going up. I'll give you an example. Schlumberger. This is one of our 5 stocks. And Schlumberger, we have a 20% return right now because my members, if you're my member, you would have been short. You would have been short. Every afternoon at 2 o'clock, you go to my site. It says Working Investor Group, and we tell you exactly what to do with that stock. And same of the other stocks. You don't have to know anything about the company. All you do is at 2 o'clock, you go and find out what we're doing. Nobody else does that.
For more information, go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com, or give us a call at 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264.
Does your money manager send you an alert when the stock position that you're in goes up or it goes down? Does your brokerage send you an alert to get out of a stock position so you don't lose money? Of course they don't. Here at philsgang.com, we keep all of our members engaged with the stock positions that we recommend. Nobody does that for their clients. Nobody. Go to philsgang.com and become a member to get up-to-the-minute alerts. That's philsgang.com. Stop losing money and start making money with Phil's Gang.
Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
Stock Corner is brought to you by CashCallMortgage.com.
And as I say, call Jared at Cash Call Mortgage. The number, 949-535-9385. That's 949-535-9385. Now, Jared specializes in those people who have their own business, private-owned companies, who are looking for a mortgage on their home. And anybody who has their own small business, who's experienced this, go and get a mortgage, as I did, you find it's very difficult, even if your credit scores are 800 or better, because most of the people in these banks, these loan, they don't even understand what a small business is. They wouldn't know the difference between a small business and a banana peel. So the great thing about working with Jared is he understands small businesses. He gets it. He places your mortgage. They don't put you through hoops every day. You got to give them something else. Give them something else. Then you think you're done. You got to give them something else. So check it out. And Cash Call Mortgage, Jared Douglas. Here's the number, 949-535-9385, or just go to my site, philsgang.com, and you can get connected through my site. Okay, so here we are. We have this market today, and everybody's underwear on Wall Street and CNBC and Fox all wound up and knotted up and they're so excited, and they're going to get, this is it. We're going to go up another $20,000, 20,000 points. It's all nuts. This market is having a problem. The 10-year Treasury yields are still dropping, but they're not going to tell you that. The 10-year Treasury yields are dropping. What's that mean? They are shifting out. Investors are shifting out of stocks to bonds for safe haven. They're shifting out of stocks to gold for safe haven. One day is not a trend. Just because the president comes out and makes a statement to move the market, he knew he was going to move the market. He's used to doing that. Look how they moved the market after the market crashed 20% from October 5th. 2018 to December 24th, 2018, they got the market to rally back up 20% from December 26th, or you can say from January 1, 2019, to today, 20%. Most of that was all the same nonsense. Oh, we got an agreement. We have an agreement with China. And we never had an agreement with China. Until this market can break out, and until these bond yields, you got to see these bond yields, they got to stop dropping. And worse, we have an inversion. We have an inversion, meaning we have the 3-month Treasury that you can take money and buy a 3-month Treasury, get more money over 3 months than you can 10 months. You always got more money by lending the government money at a longer period of time of 10 years. Can you imagine? You can get a higher rate now by buying a 3-month Treasury than you can a 10-year Treasury. Why is that? What's that? Because the economy's not growing. That's what's going on. That's the problem. It's a signal of a recession when you have those kind of inversions where you can get more for 3 months on a Treasury than you can 10. So it doesn't mean you don't make money. Look. You got to be in the right sectors. And again, join my gang. I'm going to give you today, okay? We're going to do another group of 20. I'm going to give you today, then we cut it off, 20 people. You get my color-coded chart, which will be free, but you have to join the gang. It's $39.95 to join the gang for 1 month, and you get the chart for that 1 month free. But you got to join the gang. It's that simple. And then what you do is 2:30 or 2 o'clock, every afternoon, Eastern Time, you go to my site, philsgang.com, and you go to the Working Investor Group. And whatever stock you decide to follow, that we have in our portfolio, you pick from our portfolio, and then you have a video. It tells you exactly what to do. I mean, it's not any easier than that. Here, listen.
Caterpillar on Friday, we had a Scout short. We're going to change that to a Scout long. Now that we have green and we've got a pretty good gap up here, let's change that to a Scout long. SLB, we're red over yellow down here, but we're still red and just kind of consolidating.
That's all you have to do. You just follow the instructions. Does anybody do that for you? Does somebody from your 401k taking care of you? Do they do that? Do they tell you to do that? You get instructions. If you follow it right to the T, you'll make money. My God. Here, look, Nugget, we're up 20%. That's gold. We're up 30%. Dust, AU, we're up 28%. Semiconductors, we shorted, we're up 13%. Shorting, for heaven's sakes. Goldman Sachs, we're up 10%. Intel, 26%. And all you have to do at 2 o'clock in the afternoon is just go to my site. It's that easy. And you just, whatever one you decided that you want to deal with, there's a video. And it changes every day, tells you what to do. So, again, free. We're doing another group of 20. Is it 20? Yeah, 20. We're going to do another group of 20. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-GANG. Get your free color-coded chart. That's the chart that we make our decisions, and that's the same chart that gave us a 20% gain in Nugget. It's the same chart when it went from green to red that told us institutions were pulling their money out of Intel, and we sold short and gave us 26% gain. I'm not making this up. And I'm going to give it to you free, for heaven's sakes, for 1 month, and you will see it works. Do you think the guys that run your 401k are going to help you?
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it. Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
That's it. They don't care about you. It's unbelievable. All right, so what's going on? So listen to this stuff here today. This is unbelievable.
All right, so Dow's up 370 points. I believe just a moment ago, top of the hour, it topped a 400-point gain. It began surging this morning when the president sent out that tweet.
They will, in fact, meet in Osaka, Japan, during the G20. So that's a good thing. And, I can't make any commitments or anything.
So he's backing down already. So somebody jumped in the market and said, oh, gee, the market's up. And then, of course, they're going to listen to this guy.
Our economy is expanding. Our currency is king of the hill.
Yeah, see? And so somebody's going to jump in today. Kudlow's already saying, well, maybe they're going to meet, but I don't know what's going to happen. Join my gang. Get your free chart right now. Got to join the gang. $39.95, get the free chart. They're waiting for your call. Unbelievable.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. you immediately get an alert. It says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
If you're going to make money in the market, you got to make money when the market goes back down. When these stocks start dropping, that's the key to investing. You're never going to make money if all you're depending on is stocks going up. Give you an example. Schlumberger. This is one of our 5 stocks. And Schlumberger, we have a 20% return right now because my members, if you were my member, you would have been short. You would have been short. Every afternoon at 2 o'clock, you go to my site. It says Working Investor Group, and we tell you exactly what to do with that stock. And same of the other stocks. You don't have to know anything about the company. All you do is at 2 o'clock, you go and find out what we're doing. Nobody else does that.
For more information, go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com, or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. If you want the truth, then tune in my show every weekday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, or you can listen to this fantasy.
Wow, low unemployment, high jobs, high wages, big consumer confidence, major productivity, and no inflation.
No inflation? What are you, nuts? Stocks up 357%. Gasoline's up 46% alone since December. How about medical? Up 8%. College up 8%. Movie tickets with soda, popcorn, up 15%. Low unemployment? Not true. The 3.9% is fake. It's really 11% because of the 15 million discouraged workers they do not add in. Look, this is just some of it. High wages? That's a joke. It's 1.2%, not 3%. When you look at the withholding tax where the truth is. Join my gang, philsgang.com, and get the truth.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Then go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Again, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG, or go to my site, philsgang.com. Get your free color-coded chart. The color-coded chart is free. It's $30. You get that free, but you have to join the gang for 1 month. It's only $39.95. During that month, you are invited to participate with our portfolio. We have 6 stocks. These are individual stocks we've been in for years: Goldman Sachs, Intel, AT&T, Caterpillar, Schlumberger. And we also have 3 indices: Spiders, IWM, small mid-cap stocks, XLF, that's your banks, SMH. And then we have bonus stocks. But these are the same stocks we buy, when it's green, money's coming in, and then when they pull their money out, the big banks, the big institutions, and they start to drop, we turn our position and we mitigate the losses. We start selling short. Intel, we got a 20%, 26% return selling it short after we're long. It works. Try it just for 1 month. I mean, you just got to go to the site and pick one or two or how many stocks you want. I suggest the first month you just do it on paper, and then you hear a specific instruction on the stock that you picked. It's so simple.
Caterpillar on Friday, we had a scout short. We're going to change that to a scout long now.
There you go. Tells you we're going short, now we go long. Tell you exactly what to do. Does anybody do that for you? Does anybody do that for you? No. But that's what we do here. All we ask is you help St. Jude's. That's all. We're reaching out to you. We're going to change your financial life. At the end of 30 days, if none of this worked for you, there's no contract, you're gone. I'm asking you just to look at my performance. That's all. Performance of our portfolio. 877-600-GANG. We're going to limit to 20 and do another group of 20. 877-600-GANG. You get your free color-coded chart. It's $30. You get that free. You join the gang, $39.95. You can participate in whatever program you want, the Working Investor Program, which I'm talking about now. Or if you want, you can go to our Trading Academy where you learn online how to invest if you want to be an activist investor. Okay, let's move on. I want you to listen how today the market's up 350 points, but Larry Kudlow doesn't sound so enthusiastic about it, does he?
All right, so Dow's up 370 points. I believe just a moment ago, top of the hour, it topped a 400-point gain. It began surging this morning when the president sent out that tweet.
They will, in fact, meet in Osaka, Japan, during the G20. So that's a good thing. And, I can't make any commitments or anything.
Yeah, they're going to meet. Market's up 400 points because they're going to meet. Are you nuts? What are you, nuts? They're going to meet? So somebody's jumping in, buying a stock ticket, they're going to meet?
Got it. So what about that optimism in the stock market? Is that warranted?
Well, I don't want to judge. All I'll say is I think a lot of market investors think it's a good thing that talk is better than no talk. There are other things going on in the market. The economy's still pretty good. Interest rates seem to be coming down, et cetera, et cetera.
Wait, whoa. Still pretty good? Boy, Larry's changing.
The economy's still
pretty good. Wait a minute. What happened with this Larry Kudlow?
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%. I actually think the U.S. economy is very strong. I think we're still going to maintain a 3% growth rate.
No.
Our economy, our investors, our workforce are crushing it right now.
Boy, has he changed, huh? You notice how he is going backwards? First, he's telling us he's crushing it. Then it's very strong, go to 4 to 5%.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
Then he says, well, maybe 3%.
I actually think the U.S. economy is very strong. I think we're still going to maintain a 3% growth.
Then he turns around, and today they question, well, what do you think? You go, well, it's pretty good, Unbelievable. What are you, nuts? Look, the market is going to do what it's going to do. What I mean by that is, we don't care if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. You should be in that position all the time. You should be in a position, it doesn't matter if it goes up or down. You should be making money both ways. But you only make money if it goes up. And you sit back and keep calling your broker when it goes down or your advisor, what do I do? What do I do? You should have already been positioned to make money as it goes down. Now, I'm not making this stuff up. So here we were shorting Intel, and we have a 26% gain. Now we switched, went long, and we're with a 3% gain. And while we were shorting Intel with a 26% gain, we were shorting Schlumberger with a 20% gain. We were shorting Caterpillar with a 12% gain. We turned around, we went long to golds, where we're up 37%, 28%, 7%, 4, and 20. So while we're shorting some of the stocks, we're on the other side buying. And all you got to do is listen to the instructions. How easier? It can't get any easier than that. Today we bought Boeing. It was a perfect buy today. It was perfect. And we're up 2% in one day. Now, if this whole thing blows up, what is this going to? This market, this is a one-day rally over a bunch of nonsense that, I'm going to go meet him in China. Hey, I'm going to have dinner with my wife tonight. So should the market go up 400%? What are you, nuts? Where's the days of earnings? Earnings are gone. They took earnings away. Nobody cares about earnings anymore. Why? Because they do stock buybacks now. Nobody cares about earnings. It's amazing. You can just throw a rumor out there. But guess what? If you know what you're doing, you can ride these rallies. And unfortunately for people in 401ks, you can't ride anything. You're riding a banana peel. So today, the market's up. Tomorrow, market's down. Just think about this market. This market, we've never had a recovery in our economy. Never. We never had a recovery. Why do you think they hide that this is the weakest recovery on record? Because the truth is we never had a recovery. Why? Because our owners who control the central banks dropped rates to 0 10 years ago. Bernanke and Obama, they lied when they dropped those rates. Like they lied about healthcare. We could keep our policies. We could keep our doctor if we liked them. They lied about the interest rate drops to 0. They said, if we drop interest rates to 0, all the CEOs and the very wealthy, the top 1%, they're going to take all that money and they're going to invest it in capital investment. We're going to be increasing productivity. We're going to be boosting the economic growth to 4 to 5%. All a lie. None of that money went into capital investment. We did not increase productivity. We did not increase wages. We increased the stock market. We increased the value for the top 1% and for everybody who was in the market. Standard of living didn't increase. No. CEOs were stealing the money from the capital investment budget accounts and buying their own shares back. And guess what? If you were a gang member, if you were in our portfolio, when that was happening, we bought those stocks because the color-coded chart told us that the banks were, that the big institutions were. So, again, we're limited to 20. We're forming another group. 877-600-GANG, call now. And again, we're going to do that. We'll cut it off today. It works. You're going to have fun at it, and you're going to see all you have to do is listen to a little recording, what to do. How hard is that, for heaven's sakes? You mean you can't listen to this?
Caterpillar on Friday, we had a scout short. We're going to change that to a scout long.
Yeah, and then he goes out and tells you exactly what to do. You can't follow that? Are you telling me you can't follow that? And when you hear that, you'll see on the color-coded chart, it's green or it's red. It's so easy. 877-600-GANG, limiting to 20. They're waiting for your call now.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Thinking about investing in the stock market? Go to philsgang.com, where we have over 50 years experience in trading and investing in the stock market. Phil's Gang teaches you how to make profits in the market with stock chart analysis, up-to-the-minute alerts, and always keeping you informed with professional guidance in long and short-term positions. Go to philsgang.com or call one of our professional staff to answer your questions. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Stop wondering about your financial future and start doing something about it.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you start making money, please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang MaxVest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. You're not a regular listener to Phil's Gang? What, are you nuts? Listen to Phil Grandy and check out philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
And I am going to offer today, we're starting a new group of 20. You're going to get the color-coded chart, so that when you get that free, you join the gang, $39.95. You call now, 877-600-GANG, or you go to my site. You can sign up. Just go into the site, philsgang.com. And then you're going to start out, and then every afternoon at 2 o'clock, you just go and pick from our portfolio a number of stocks, 1 stock, 2 stocks. Just do it on paper for the first month. Follow the instructions we give you. I've played that video a couple times already. You can't go wrong. Try it. You'll see it works. It works. And for the first time, with the same ease that you buy stocks, with the same ease, you're going to short stocks. So when you hear all this nonsense like today's, this 350-point rally, like the world is just fantastic, everything's great, this whole, our economy from within is not imploding anymore. Are you nuts? Nothing's changed. Here, listen to this. Listen what he says, Kudlow, about the bond market.
The bond markets are expecting the Fed to cut rates. Fed is independent, and they will move when and if they move on their own time. But I think that is a prevalent view in the bond market. Personally, I happen to share that view.
No, that is not true at all. The bond market does not tell you they're going to cut rates. Here's what the bond market tells you. When yields are dropping, and think about this, since November 7th, 2018 to today, bonds, the yields have dropped 30%. They're down 30%. What it's telling you, the economy sucks. The growth is no good. We're not growing. We are not growing. And remember, Kudlow kept saying we're going to grow 4 to 5%. Then he says, well, it's going to be 3%. Now he's saying, I'm not sure. Because the bond market never lies. The bond market always tells you the truth. You want to know what the economy is doing? Don't listen to CNBC. Don't listen to Bloomberg. Don't listen to any of these TV shows. Watch the bond market. If those yields go down and they keep going down, we're down 36%, it's telling you we're going into a recession. Now you take my color-coded chart and you follow big institutional money on each one of our stocks that you want to follow. Follow one, follow two. 877-600-GANG. It's free. The color-coded chart is free. It's $30. You're going to get that free. Just join. And you see this works. The bond market doesn't tell you they're going to cut rates. Doesn't say that. Not at all. The bond market tells you, here's what happens. The bond market tells you the economy is in deep trouble. It's not growing. We've been lied to because we've never had a recovery since 2008. All we had since 2008 is a propping up of the market by doing zero rates to keep giving free money to these banks and the CEOs and the owners to keep buying stock. So they get wealthy. That money was supposed to go back into the companies, to grow the companies, to grow wages, and that hasn't happened. And because it hasn't happened, wages haven't grown, and it's wages that create spending. And the only way we're getting spending is through credit, giving people credit cards, giving their cars instead of 3 years, 2 years, they let them pay their payments 7 years. And they call that a great economy. No, it's debt. We have never had so much debt. We have the highest housing debt ever. Our economy, our debt is growing 36% faster than our economy is growing. But no, they're not. None of these guys are going to tell you that. So I'm going to tell you that. I'm going to make sure you're in the right position. If you're a member, you're going to be in the right position with no BS. You're going to be in the right stock, the right position, just like we got into gold before anybody else. It's just unbelievable. You know, I get so sick of listening to this socialism stuff. Listen.
The United States is running concentration camps on our southern border.
Can you believe that? This AOC? She doesn't even know what socialism is. I got shoes in my closet older than her. Socialism is the worst thing in the world. Why doesn't she go live in Cuba? Socialism causes poverty because it slows economic GDP growth. When you keep giving stuff away and free this and free that, and the economy can't grow because you got to go into debt to give everybody that. Socialism causes poverty because it slows economic growth. It slows progress. And then you have all kinds of government waste. And then you have taxation on productive economic activity. That's the next thing they do. They discourage small businesses. They discourage innovation, these socialists, these communists. And then they throw hurdles in front of businesses because they believe these socialists, these communists, these socialists think they know better than we do running a business. Are you kidding me? A loser like AOC or Bernie Sanders or Pocahontas, she thinks she knows better how to run my business than I do or run your business. Socialism causes poverty. Look at what's going on in all these countries, in Venezuela. Look at the poverty. It's amazing. It's a disincentive to work. Remember Pelosi?
If you want to be creative and be a musician or whatever, you can leave your work.
Yeah, leave your work. Become a musician because we're going to take care of you. Look, I can't fix politics. I'd love to be on the air talking politics an hour a day, but that's not going to help you. What's going to help you is me reaching out to you and you reach back to St. Jude. We help each other. It's me telling you the truth. You're not going to believe me about the economy. Most people don't because they don't want to hear the truth. They don't. They want to hear somebody in the morning tell them what they want to hear. This is what they want to hear. They want to hear how great the economy is every morning. And they have no idea why the stock market's going up. And they believe the stock market's the economy, which is so stupid because the economy, remember, is $19 trillion. $19 trillion, the economy. The stock market is $30 trillion. So how can they be the same? But people don't want to hear that. They don't want to hear it.
There's a lot of real optimism out there, and it's reflecting in our stock market as well.
How is optimism reflecting in the stock market when the bond market is tanking, when the bond market is dropping, when the bond market since November 7, 2018 has dropped to today 36%? They're not going to tell you the truth. So bottom line, socialism is not going to work. It doesn't work. Socialism causes inequality because much of the money that goes to government ends up in the hands of the rich. That's what's happening right now. The 1 percentile. And the CEOs are making all the money. Our middle class is being squeezed by a very high cost of health care, rent, and everything else. They're not creating businesses like they used to. That's killing us. But in the end of the day, you got to retire. The end of the day, retirement is going to hit you. If you're 35 years old, watch how fast before you're 65 years old. It went like that. And you don't have the amount of money you need because you're stuck in a stupid 401k. If you want to be in a 401k, I'm not telling you to get out of it. I'm just telling you, why don't you have something else other than the 401k? Why don't you try our portfolio? 877-600-GANG. Let me start you out with our chart that tells you when to buy, when to sell. It's color-coded. You can't lose. And on top of that, you get a video, for heaven's sakes, that tells you what to do. Look, all I know is all this stuff that they're telling you every day is just not accurate. It's just not accurate. When they tell you the economy is doing well, how can they say that? Mortgage applications are now at a 19-month low. New home sales have dropped to an 8-month low. They just came out today with housing starts, one of the 4 most important indicators as to what's coming in the economy. And housing starts is so important. It tells you want good housing starts. Remember, housing contributes to 25% of our growth, and housing is tanking. Housing is the greatest source of wealth and savings for you. But they're lying to you. Housing starts is one of the 4 most important indicators as to the coming crash, along with durable goods, which is now negative. Pending home sales, now negative. Flattening yield curve and inverting, now negative. They're not going to tell you that. All right, 877-600-GANG. When you get your color-coded chart free, remember at 2 o'clock Eastern, you go to my site, click on Working Investors, choose which stock, which video accompanies that. Follow that every day, and if you need help, you got your own private tutor, tell you how to do it. It works. Just try it. $39.95 the membership. The chart is absolutely free, limiting to 20. It'll end tonight.
Listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's